This week, I had the opportunity to tour a new construction community. This home was $2,800 a month. The cool part is there's homes still for sale in that neighborhood. This gives us the opportunity to check the data points side by side on whether or not it makes sense to buy in this neighborhood or to rent. Welcome to Gwinnett County. If you're not familiar with this area, it's where I was born and raised. And today we have the opportunity to explore a luxury rental in the area. As you can see, it has exterior bricking, plenty of luxury finishes just on the outside alone. And for that reason, it's going for $2,800 a month as a rental. This is a totally new construction home. Nobody has lived in it before. And you'll have that opportunity at a very fair price, in my opinion. This house offers 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,514 square feet, and 0.13 of an acre. As you can see, it's a very open concept living with premium LVP, a high-grade modern electric fireplace, and really nice granite countertops, guys. It has the soft close cabinetry, gray wash granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. You do have a private backyard. No fence is not currently installed, but maybe in due time. Overall, it's a decent backyard, and it's just a very nice house. I mean, if you guys are not looking for somebody to have lived in this property before you, this is going to be a great opportunity. It's exactly why I got out here for my clients. Now, there is a good bit of space. I mean, I could drive the 4Runner between the houses, so it's not totally up on top of each other. I know a lot of people complain about that, but we live in a society where it's better to have some neighbors. The best kind of neighbors are the ones that just wave and go inside, but you can feel safe knowing that they may keep an eye on your stuff. I know. I'm sure. Comment down below if you even like having friends or neighbors. If not, I totally understand. My parents raised me on 3 acres out in Snellville. So we're back in the kitchen. Everybody always asks about the pantry when they call. This is a very fair pantry. Definitely very reasonable. With this rental, they actually will be putting a refrigerator in there later. So keep that in mind. And it has excellent natural lighting. I wanted to exemplify that before turning on all the lights in the house, but here you go. This is your downstairs bathroom. And let's just call this the 5th bedroom, this one down here. So you're going to have a full bathroom on the main floor, and then you have this stowaway bedroom. You know, it's a little bit bigger than Harry Potter's room under the stairs, but it also has the convenient access of a private bathroom if you have a guest. So it's also good for the in-laws with mobility issues and those kind of things. As you see here, this is the garage space. It's a 2-car garage, very spacious. No, they did not epoxy the floor, but yes, they did include both garage door openers. If you watch some of my other home tours, you guys will definitely see the new construction builders are holding out on giving garage door openers, guys. Just so you know, a garage door can definitely run you guys around $500 to $1,000 to have that opener installed. So, okay, this is your upstairs laundry. There is not a downstairs laundry. I say upstairs as though there were 2, but there's only a singular. This is not the primary, but it definitely is grandiose. It's a lot of space. It would make a great backup room, entertainment space, or if you have those things we call children, maybe they deserve something nice. I don't know. You decide. This is a nice walk-in closet. And get in there and turn the lights back off. Very high ceilings, if you guys did not notice. While they may not be vaulted, they are very high. If you're 6'4", 6'7", you're not going to be uncomfortable here. This here is the owner's suite, or the primary, or the master. I don't know what people are calling it these days. I know all the names though. Impressive, right? Impressive like this little bathroom here, guys. You got the dual vanities, enclosed shower with the seats. You have a water closet here, or a poop cubby as some people call it. And you're gonna have a walk-in closet. Very spacious, offers 2 sides, definitely enough space to fit some things. And don't forget, this place has an attic. If you needed to store a handful of things, there's additional space. Again, another smart thermostat. We make our way down the hall. Here goes another bedroom. And these are decent sizes considering they're not primary. It would be nice if every single bedroom had its own dedicated bathroom, but it can't always be the case because then everything would be far too expensive. When it comes to dealing with plumbing, water, or as we call it, dookie, it's gonna get pricey, guys. It's just a linen closet here in the hallway. Here you go with another bathroom, full bathroom. Not too much to write home about, but it'll get the job done in a bind. Again, and this is the last bedroom, not bathroom. But it is a very nice and fair space, very separate from the other rooms. If you have an independent teenager who doesn't want to hear what's going on, that's the one for you. If you're new to the channel, I wear glasses. No, I'm not kidding about that. I'm putting them on right now so we can go over these data points. But my name is Connor Downey. I am an Atlanta real estate agent, and I am serving up the biggest and best news that's happening in real estate at all times. If you guys agree, comment down below. If you think there's a better channel, comment down below. I'll go learn and I'll be better next week. So if you guys enjoy the content, don't forget to subscribe. However, we're looking at 154 Green Love Lane in Grayson, Georgia today. If you're not familiar, that is Gwinnett County. Gwinnett County has illustrious schools, fantastic sports teams, and everything that you're ever going to want if you're moving to a state. That being said, it is full of a lot of people, and because of that, they can charge $2,800 a month for a 2,500 square foot house, and people will come and they will pay. Not going to lie to you guys, this is a really beautiful property. If you guys did watch the tour, I'm super grateful. If you didn't, let's get into the data points. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. That is fantastic as far as size and amenities to accommodate a family. And you guys can see it is listed down here by Virtual Properties Yunpan. So thank you for giving me and my client access to this today. We really hope that she's going to get it. And if not, you guys can feel free to reach out. I'll check the availability and we'll get you guys inside. That being said, it is a beautiful home sitting on 0.13 acres. It is literally a new construction. In the neighborhood, there are plenty of other homes still being built. So if you guys wanted to buy a home, reach out to me in the description, fill out the pamphlet, get all your information in, and one of the members of my team is going to reach out. Whether or not it's me, that is to be determined. If you specifically want to speak to me, I will make it happen. Comment down below and I'll make it happen. That being said, it's $2,800 a month, guys. It's beautiful. I'm not going to look at all the pictures. Obviously, you should go back and watch the video, but it's a quick scroll through. They have very nice finishes on the floors. Everything's standard porcelain countertops. These aren't granite, they are porcelain, but it's going to have carpet. It's going to have LVP. It has a nice sizable backyard. It does have an HOA, but I'm certain that you guys can add a very nice fence if you guys have Doberman Pinschers, German Shepherds, doesn't matter, pit bulls. I love all dogs. So let's just be honest. Let's add a fence. So let's look into what is for sale in the neighborhood. As I promised, 84 Green Love Lane. That's the same exact neighborhood, same exact zip code, lot 59 in Grayson. This thing is running 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1.5 bath. Same 2,500 square feet. So this tells me that there's more living space inside this property than in the other property, while the other property accommodates more people to be living with you. That's really wild to think about. Conundrum. So guys, we are here. This is still being built. It is with Shannon Riblet. Of course, you message me directly so that I can accommodate you guys, negotiate the best terms possible for you and get you all the incentives that you deserve. We got to make sure you're doing the right inspections and going through the right proceedings. Let's look at these photos. So this, of course, is a 3D rendering. If you guys don't understand what a 3D rendering is, that means that they made it inside of a computer. If you guys did understand that, I didn't mean to disrespect you. However, take a picture of these. This is going to be based off of another model. This home is still partially under construction. They are finishing up a good bit of it today. There will be other units in the next phase. Wow, that's a mouthful. I know, I'm moving really fast today, but I've worked really hard this week and I really have to get these videos out. the videos, they keep getting business, and so we keep making the videos, but then we get the business, and then we work, and then, okay, back to this. So you get nice granite countertops. These are LVP. They're not actually real hardwood floors, but that's very common these days. Don't expect that people are gonna keep doing the hardwood floors. Why? Because hardwood floors get tarnished. These things are almost immortal. Again, granite countertops, not porcelain in here. Very open living room, very spacious. New cabinets. This is a very large pantry. You have smart thermostats. No, they aren't Nest, but they're this new brand that I'm starting to see everywhere. Comment down below if you know anything about them. Not familiar, I need to educate myself. This is that half bathroom. It's okay, it's kind of bland. Not even a fancy high-end mirror, but we're looking at it. This is gonna be one of the rooms. Okay, you got a twin sink. It's very standard. This is extremely standard. And if you don't know anything about Grayson, it's really motivated by its school system. It has a great athletic system. It's offered a lot of potential for scholarships to kids in the past. And honestly, it's a very, very quaint town. If there's any kind of crime, it's probably the teenagers just causing havoc, because that's what teenagers do. So look at this lofted area. Very beautiful. As I mentioned, it's going to have more living space. If you go and watch the video of the other tour that didn't have a lofted area as spacious as this is going to allow you to have toddlers running around, an extra office, whatever you guys want to do. If you have friends, family, put a pool table, good stuff. So this seems like it's the owner's suite. Yep, definitely the owner's suite. Spacious. I'll go back real quick. Relatively good size. Could definitely accommodate a master size bed. That could be a queen, a king, a California king, you name it. There's a lot of different kinds of beds. They even get bigger than a California king. So, thinking about it, again, porcelain countertops, nice tile finish. That's a nice bench seat in there. Wondering if it's a sauna shower, but it doesn't look like it. We don't have extra jets. There's a big old window in your bathroom. Some people like that. So those are the pictures, guys. Let's look at the numbers. A lot of you guys come here to talk about money, and that's what we're gonna get into. We're gonna talk about the numbers. So one of my favorite resources for all of you as non-real estate agents is Redfin. If you haven't heard of it, definitely try it out. They are a brokerage. They are not a real estate company as far as that goes. They're not like Zillow. That being said, they have a little bit more accuracy in their data. So this house is for sale for $485,000. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,500 square feet. This means it's going to accommodate closer to a small family or young adult who's wanting to live there. It's 41 days on Redfin. That does not mean anything, because it doesn't mean it's that singular house. It's just the house plan. Now they have lot 59. They are estimating it at $3,200. Okay, so that's not quite what I'm expecting, but that's a 10% down payment. Most of my clientele, we can get you guys in that higher range if you want, but let's say you're doing first-time home buyers. It's 3.5%. You're looking at that. They have the mortgage insurance at $142, principal and interest, property taxes, homeowners insurance. That's a pretty good rate. I think that's very fair and modest. So if we take a look at this, you're sitting at $3,400 a month. That's a lot of money, guys. It's a lot of money for this. I love Grayson. It has a lot to offer, a lot of parks, a lot of amenities for education. But if you could rent in the exact same neighborhood for $2,800 a month, $2,800. That's gonna save you buku, guys. It's gonna save you a lot of money. It's gonna save you guys almost $600 a month. And I'm not even good at math. I leave that up to the loan officers. I'm good at the sales. So you guys, I think that's a very considerable amount of money to have it play. I mean, even if you put 20% down and you wiped out the mortgage insurance, that's only saving you $142 a month. It's gotten to the point where moving to Gwinnett County almost seems like it's a better idea to rent. So if you guys are moving to Gwinnett County, there's definitely a lot of opportunities to buy. If you guys think that you're gonna be stationed there for a while and your family's comfortable, definitely buy. But if you're transitioning in and out of Gwinnett County, consider renting. It could be a good option. If you guys are permanently bound for Atlanta, just buy in Atlanta and make the community a better place. The housing in the actual metropolitan city is better priced than right now in the suburbs. So if you're a young adult and you're trying to make your life and you're looking for a place to live, as I always say, thug it out in Atlanta. You're gonna get the best bang for your buck. You're gonna find out that you can help improve the community, and you're gonna make the most money off your property here in the future. A lot of these homes here in Gwinnett, they're hitting a really high price point. I can see them getting a little bit higher, but there's gonna be a stagnancy here. It's just the way the economy works. I went to college, I graduated, I took economics, I took honors stats. I know what I'm talking about, guys. I'm not crazy, I'm not blowing smoke up your butt. So like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this, where I keep it real. I am qualified to be an appraiser. I am qualified to go to school to be an attorney. I've taken my LSAT. You can trust me, guys. You can really, truly trust me. I really appreciate you guys. Ask any questions that you want in the comments down below or reach out to me personally.